Pretty tidy old girl.
210,000 actual original kilometres. Hey, look, just a quick video today. I have met with the people from Graysonline. Now, if you've been following the channel, you'll know that I'm thinking about selling the old Peugeot 504 at an online auction, a classic car auction. And the company I've been working with and talking to is called Graysonline. Now, Grays have been sort of following my channel, and they've followed me on Instagram. So I thought it might be a good idea to see if we can do the sale online and provide some content for the sale of the car for people who might be thinking about selling their classic vehicle. Anyway, one of the guys came out and saw me, Ryan, and we had a bit of a chat and typical car guy stuff. So here's a little video on what transpired. The birds are chirping, the sun is out. I'm running around like a chook with my head cut off this morning. It was in a bit of a state, this place, so I have moved the 64 vehicles out into the yard, tried to mow the yard, and a bit of a clean up, and we're going to get Ryan here, or Ryan's going to stand here and have a bit of a chat and see what we can plan together in relation to possibly selling this at Graysonline. Mr. Ryan, I believe. How you going?
What's this?
Ryan immediately noticed the i30N in the driveway and was impressed by the fact that I use it as a training car, a driving school car. A few questions are asked, and then we immediately started talking old school cars and the Peugeot. Yeah, and the Starions are the big
Starions
ones.
are, yeah.
Yeah.
So what was it like when you bought it?
It was pretty, I mean the paint, I haven't touched the paint.
Okay, so yeah.
It was resprayed, but it's just got the usual, you know, they didn't do the drains.
Yeah. I think I've seen one of your videos.
Salesman. He's an old...
When you were polishing the hubcaps.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it was interesting. I like the way it's still got all the original stickers underneath.
Yeah, it's got all of that. I was going to do a bit of a touch up here, but the paint's not, that's the paint there, so you can see it's slightly different.
Slightly different. But that's still tidy enough and it's original. I had to go for parts wise.
Parts are pretty good, and I found a guy at Cinnamon Park who used to run a workshop for Peugeots, and it's in his garage.
It's still got plenty of bits.
So it's full.
But gee, I'll tell you what, you're looking under the bonnet here, it just looks nice and original now. Gee, I'll tell you what, for the age of it, the body's nice and straight. Underneath, you've done a cracker job underneath the wheel arches.
I don't know if it will sell at auction with interest, but I thought a good video content would be me as just a normal guy doing this at home.
Yeah.
How do I go about it? Your knowledge on how to present, what they're looking for in a car, we could do a bit on that.
Yeah.
How far in advance do we need to book it? Just all of the logistics.
Yeah. It's pretty tidy old girl.
210,000 actual original kilometres. But he bought it off the original family in March last year.
Has it got books?
Not really. Original registration.
Okay, that's good.
It was first registered in New South Wales.
Okay.
And then brought up here. They still live in Brisbane. I sent them an email.
Yeah.
She didn't contact me, but she got in touch with the mechanic and approved the fact that they could send me whatever was done.
Oh, okay.
So I've got a big list of stuff. I spent $9 grand on this in the last 10 years. Just keeping it on the road. It was registered until March last year. I had it on Gumtree for a while and on Marketplace, just sitting at 8.5.
Yeah.
I've had a couple of people message me, and I keep saying, "You're right. This is what it is. Go to the videos." If I could, I'm heading towards $5 grand into it. I'm going to tackle that. I'm going to do a paint resto on it as best I can. Put that bottle in, and that's about it.
I like it.
Okay.
I just think they're a classic car. Geez, they're a cracker rally car in their day.
Yeah, and not speed, just reliability.
Reliability and strength.
And there's no rust in the floor pan at all. And it's clean. I don't ever spray over too much stuff because I want people to go, oh,
It's original.
it's original. This is different. Guards always look good painted up, and there's nothing to hide there.
That's good.
Nothing to hide.
That's the first thing that grabbed my attention when I looked under there. I thought, shit, that looks nice and tidy.
Yeah, you won't see it with the wheels on.
No. But if you could take some still shots or
Yeah.
of all that and underneath,
Yeah,
it will
okay.
help. And you haven't got any old photos of the car way back when?
No.
Shame you couldn't get hold of the original owners.
Yeah.
That always helps.
No, I don't think they were too keen.
I think it's something we could do.
Yeah, it'd be a nice little couple of videos on it, you know?
Yeah.
How often is it you got the classic auction?
Every month.
Oh, it is every month?
Every month.
Okay. Well, that went better than expected. That's Ryan, he's just headed off up the road there. He loves the car. He thinks it's a ripper. Tickle pink. This is great. Anyway, see ya. So that's some exciting news. A lot of other stuff was spoken about, but in summary, we look like we may be putting together a couple of videos on how to go about selling your classic car at an online auction. The do's, the don'ts, the costs, and all that kind of stuff. So that'll be good. That means now that I've actually got to push on and get that car finished as soon as possible. So there's a little bit of pressure there. So I've got to get a giddy up and get that done, which I think we're pretty close. I need to get it roadworthy, get it registered, wheels on, wash and detail on the outside, which I will be doing this weekend. There'll be a video coming out with all of these loose ends and the detailing. That'll be in the coming days, actually. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned. As things transpire, I will let everyone know. Take it easy. See ya. How's that, puppy? Whew, hot out here.